Hey, just hopping on super quick to show you something I got in the mail today. I'm always looking for different things that I can have during the day or when we're on the go, and snacks and crunchy things that can fit into the macros that you have. And so one of my favorite things that I've discovered in the last several weeks has actually been by a line called PopCorners. And if you have a Costco in your area, then they actually have the massive bags of these things. But I picked up the smaller individual sized bags, and they actually came today from Amazon. So I'll show you the box. It came just like this, and there's 2 flavors that are in here, and I actually love them because they're not fried at all. They're completely baked, and so the macros are really friendly. They give you like a salty, crunchy, if you're into salty, crunchy. They definitely hit that spot for you. This box that I chose actually has 2 different flavors, and you have to make sure that you don't get the normal PopCorners because they have the non-protein ones. They come in a bunch of other flavors if you want, and they're made out of rice. These ones are actually barbecue, and barbecue is what Costco's carrying right now. So the bag at Costco is massive. But these are the little individual size bags. They're only 90 calories. So let me show you the macros on them. They're only 90 calories a bag, and I'll show you how much is in them because it's actually a lot. And then the other flavor, and this is the one I haven't had yet, it's the buffalo flavor. And so I'm hoping those are really, really spicy because that's what I'm looking for. And for those of you that have known me, I love the salty, crunchy, spicy. So I'm excited to open this one up and try it out. And then let me show you how much you actually get. And just ignore the wind. It's super, super windy out, and I've got too much noise in my house right now, so I had to come outside. And I've been waiting for these to come. So let's open it up and try it out. So the bags look like this when they come. And these are actually made with soy. So if you have to avoid soy altogether, then I would avoid and instead look at the normal line that they have that doesn't have any protein in it at all. And like I said, it's made out of rice. But these are the buffalo ones. You're gonna like them. They're like a farm to table, minimally processed ingredients in there in case you've got allergies to a bunch of preservatives. So let me show you how much you get in a bag. It's actually quite a bit. I think a serving size is probably like 24 chips. So it's double what you would normally get for like tortilla chips, double what you would get for a serving of potato chips. And so you get a lot more in terms of the actual product. And let's see if they are as spicy as they are. I already know I love the barbecue. Like I can plow through a bag of barbecue, let's be honest, probably in a week. It's pretty good. They're pretty good. I take the barbecue ones right now, and I'll either eat them as like a side snack for my carbs at a meal. If I'm doing like a salad, it's a little on the boring side and I need to spice it up, or I'll throw it on top of a meal. I'll crumble them up and I'll throw them on top of a meal. They don't get soggy like chips would. They are chips, but they don't get soggy like if you were putting tortillas, chips, or something on a meal. Good crunch. Yeah, I think I'll eat these, but for sure, check them out if you're looking for other alternatives. When I picked this box up, I actually looked at all the different brands that were on Amazon, all the different retailers, and I made sure to pick the one where the pricing was good. And in this box, I actually got 18 of them, so I have 18 bags, and I know that I paid less than $1 a bag. So I feel like it was probably like in the $14, $15 range. And I kind of scoured the different vendors that were out there. So I'll be sure to try to post a link. Otherwise, DM me if you want the link for it, and I'll tell you which of the retailers that I actually used on Amazon to get this box. Otherwise, if you're into the barbecue flavor and you just want a huge bag of the barbecue, then like I said, they're at Costco right now. So this is what they look like. They're the Flex protein chips, and they're really good.